Is autism or ADHD leading to intellectual disability? In autism or ADHD, the problem revolves around only these 5 factors: behavior, speech, language and communication, social skills, self-help skills, academics. If anyone is able to crack this code, then they are sorted with ADHD and autism child. Labeling does not make any difference. World has received brilliant brains due to autism and ADHD traits. Their differently wired brain makes them super special. In neurodiversity, there is a lack of incidental learning. The brain does not learn in the same manner what neurotypical learn. Kids have to be taught differently. For this, parents have to educate their perspective and method of learning. Here, at Dr. Tedgure Healthcare, we set targets and also train parents to achieve the goals. More the numbers of repetitions, more are the chances of learning and grasping. A constitutional homeopathy medicine acts as a catalyst to this by increasing the interneural connections. So if the parents are doubting the child's ability who has autism and ADHD, then the problem lies in strategies, resources, parenting, nature of treatment done. Not with the child. It takes a village to raise a child, and it takes thousands of villages to raise a child with autism and ADHD. But will the child be able to communicate meaningfully? The answer is yes. Will the child be able to make friends? The answer is yes. Will the child be able to do job? The answer is yes. Will the child be able to live independently if I'm not around? The answer is a big yes. This is only achievable only when parent realizes that they are important factor in child's development and should be well equipped and knowledgeable to teach their kids in the way they understand.